Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade Home. I'm Hester and you are?
Kiki!
And today we're going to show little...
I'm 3 today.
Oh, you're not 3 today. You're 3 a few weeks ago, but the balloons are still here. But today I'm going to show you how you can keep your toddler busy. Should we go?
Then be back soon.
We're coming back soon. We're here. We're not going anywhere. We do look a bit like presents in the news, don't we, Kiki, sitting like this? But what we're going to do today, we're going to show everybody how you can make toys to keep your child or toddler busy with stuff you have in your recycling bin. Because we're going to use cardboard. This is a cardboard box. I cut a little bit up. And what we're going to do, we're going to cut this, paint it, and then we're going to do some building work. Would you like to do some building? We don't put a brush in your eye. But first, we're going to draw shapes on here. You going to help me? Should I actually tell you what you're going to need? So you need cardboard. You're also going to need scissors, sharpie, some paint. I'm using the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch, which are really nice small little jars. These are toy safe, so perfect to use for this. I'm using the color duck egg blue, light grey, white and lemon, which is a nice yellow. Should we leave those for now? We're first going to cut some shapes. Should we do that first?
Yeah, I'll do it.
You want to do it? Perfect. Let's cut some shapes. This one looks like a penguin or bird. So we're just going to go like that. And do it to the thickness of your cardboard. My cardboard is rather thick, so we're going to go like that. And then you just have a little check. Yeah, that works. And then we have to cut way more shapes. So you got our shapes. You've got some shapes too, Geeks?
Yeah.
Let me see them.
Little black sheep, happy warm.
Now it's time for painting.
Wait.
Now for you, little lady, you need your little apron on. Purple brush.
Yeah.
What color would you like to do? Yellow?
Yeah, yellow.
There you go.
Thank you.
The shapes probably need 2 coats of paint. I'm gonna do duck egg blue. Just painting these, and this is not enough, is it?
No.
But what I do yesterday evening. Did I make more?
Yeah.
So I put these aside. So once your shapes are dry, you can decorate them if you want. You can do little circles or stripes or little wormy things, or you can just leave them like this, whatever you like. But I think we should decorate some. Would you like...
Oh, pink one!
I don't have pink today. Why don't you do this one?
Yeah.
And I do the yellow.
No, yellow, yeah.
I'll do the yellow one, I'll do this one. Yeah, placemat.
Like
What you gonna do? Stripes?
yeah.
There you go. Be careful. It's a permanent marker, okay? Let's decorate. What you gonna do? Oh, nice stripes. Wibbly stripes. Now we have a big bowl of shapes, and I think we should try some building. Are they binoculars? Binoculars?
You're not kidding this.
Can you see the people there?
Yeah.
Kun je verder kijken?
Yeah.
Oh. So now we got all our shapes. What are we gonna do, Kiki? Should we build?
I'll do it now.
Yeah. Should we put them over here? Oh, look at all those shapes. Want to do some building?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Isn't it so lovely? You can make toys and keep your child entertained with stuff you already have in the recycling bin. Doesn't cost you anything. I use bits of paint I had left over. If you don't have paint, you can use felt tips, or you can maybe use some magazine paper you can stick to it to give it a pattern, or just use it as the cardboard as is. And Kiki's gonna have hours of fun building big towers. And even the things you build, I think, look a little bit like little animals. So you can make monsters, and you can make more and more of the little building blocks. And if you got more boxes. I just said to Kiki we have to find good light, and look what she did. She got a lantern. Do you think that's pretty light on us? Yeah? Did you like building blocks? I think, oh, that hit your face. I think we're gonna go build a big tower now, aren't we, Kiki? Hello. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, because that really helps get my videos seen by more people. Have a look at all the... there. Have a look at all the other videos here on the Color channel. And subscribe if you haven't already. We will see you in a new video, won't we? Are we back soon in a new video, Kiki? Say bye-bye. Bye, see you soon.